Maybe that looks like an awkward position. What are you doing down there?
I'm making some water. Filling up the laundry machine.
Excellent.
You ready?
We're gonna do a saltwater wash today.
Yeah, let's try it out.
Awesome.
Oh yeah.
Dunk and plunge, my love.
You dunk and you plunge. So after this, then you can do a freshwater rinse.
Yep.
And then hang it all.
Yep.
And then tumble dry.
Actually, I'm thinking that we should do a saltwater rinse to get the salt off, and then a freshwater to get the salt off.
Let's try that.
All
Sounds
right.
good.
That's all salt water. Second rinse done.
Okay.
So now it's time for rinse and hang. And just like that, our chores are done for the day, and it's time to go play.
Hi, we're Josh and Tamara, and this is our 46-foot sailboat, Honu. We're a couple Canadians that traded land life to become full-time cruisers. Over the past year, we've been working tirelessly to get her shipshape and ready for new adventures on warm, crystal blue waters. Join us every Friday as we bring our 01 boat back to the 21st century and have a lot of fun along the way. Thanks for being a part of our journey.
Quick hour jaunt down the trail here, and we have now arrived at Norman's Key. There's so much to see here. We just dropped the hook. Josh is diving on it right now, and then we're set to go have some fun and play. We're gonna be here for a couple days, I think. If the weather holds up, we'll see. Doing the anchor dive thing. Touring around and found this beautiful little private beach.
We're on our own private island right now.
Oh, it's amazing. We got our little dinger over there.
Look at this cool fire pit someone built too.
Yeah, wicked spot for a beach fire. Exploring.
We are explorers. Oh, big shark right there.
Where? See if we can get him on here.
See that dark spot right there?
Dark spot? Nope. Oh, over there, right there?
Right there, yeah.
That's a shark?
Yeah, yeah.
I don't want to see a shark.
Yeah, you do. Check it out.
I'm not putting the GoPro in the water. Oh, baby, don't tell me. Oh, big shark. Oh my God. He's huge.
That's a big shark. He's huge. He's as long as the boat.
That's a big shark, my friends.
Big dog.
Ah! Okay, let's go over in there. Look at these mangroves. It's so pretty. Oh.
Oh, hi Ray.
Hi, Ray.
What's up, buddy?
Ray. Oh, we might be too shallow here, lover.
Really?
I don't know, look. Try it. Oh, we're okay. This is deep.
So far, so good.
Yeah. Wow, this is pretty in here.
Oh, cool.
It doesn't go anywhere, it's just a loop,
Oh,
but
that fish. This is a good place to fish. Turtles.
turtles! 2 turtles! Hi guys!
This is cool.
This is super cool. Hi, man. Key this morning, and it's like we've hit rush hour traffic. It's crazy. There's boats absolutely everywhere, and everyone's trying to get to a mooring ball at Shroud Key as quick as possible. It's like the rush for the airport or the border or that sort of thing.
Land rush.
Land rush, crazy. And it's not even a crazy big deal. We're not supposed to have any blow tonight whatsoever, so tomorrow is going to be gross, and I get that, and we'll try and maybe get a mooring ball for tomorrow, because it's going to be about 20 to 23 knot winds, but they're still coming from the east, so we should be protected by Shroud Key itself. I'm not too stressed about it. I'm not too worried. It'd be nice to have one, but whatever. But the funny thing is all the traffic out here. It's just like you're dodging boats every which way, and everyone's just got their line and they're holding their line, and they don't care if they cut you off. So it's a bit crazy today. I think we're gonna stay here for a couple of days. There's a ton of exploring. There's like a mangrove track kind of thing to do and a ton of snorkeling. We're in the Land and Sea Park right now, so it's very live with tons of marine life. It's gonna be super fun. There is a storm that's coming, again an easterly, so we're nice and protected here in this beautiful little anchorage area right here. All the mooring field is back there, but we don't think that we're going to need to attach to it. I think we've got a good spot right here, so it's time to go explore and see what Shroud Key has to offer.
If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. It's a great way to support our channel. And let us know what you think in the comments section. We love hearing from you.
That is so cool looking.
I think we found the place, baby.
No, this looks awesome.
We're gonna go for a hike, that's for sure.
Yep.
Woo!
Man, the only people, as far as you can see, we're on, we think what is Driftwood Beach. And there's this really cool looking little cut in the mountain here that hikes up to the top for a view. So this is neat. We actually haven't seen anything with elevation in like a week and a half.
It's crazy.
So it's pretty cool to be climbing up this, and it's really pretty. There's not a whole lot of lush foliage either so far that we've seen through Bahamas, other than stuff that's manicured and planted like in Nassau, and but this is kind of in its own deserty, semi-arid, beautiful way. It's gorgeous.
It is pretty.
Look at that. This is spectacular. Oh my god. This is Camp Driftwood, is the name of this little hike, and it is gorgeous. Wow.
There's another little path along the other side. We should do that too.
Yeah, we'll go check that out.
Yeah.
This is so pretty. Look at all these colors of blue. something out of like one of the Star Wars planets.
You gotta get them done when you get them done. Phew. Go, baby, go.
I'm Hans. I'm Franz. And we want to pump you up.
They're so brown. Nice. Get it. Husband, you work out.
Yeah, let me catch them.
Colors are fantastic.
Holy, look at this. It's totally like the Blue Lagoon or something.
Yeah.
Oh my God, how cool. Oh, you could cliff jump here.
No, you can't.
You can right there.
Where?
Right up there.
There?
Yeah.
No.
Oh yeah.
Silly.
You could, I can't, but you could.
Why could you not?
I was scared of heights.
Oh, there's heights. No heights for you. Oh, look, it's just like a pool.
It's amazing.
We hit a sandbar, pretty darn good, and it clogged the engine, so I've been paddling through here while Josh has been doing the doctoring on the outboard, but we're ready to rock and roll now, and we're...
Yamaha 25, and they're pretty much indestructible.
They might not be, but he's trying to test it out as much as possible, so that's what's happening.
Awesome.
Yes, it is.
This is cool.
But these are the beautiful mangroves. We're like at low tide right now, which is not the most ideal time to be going through here, but it's beautiful. Turtles.
Tons of turtles.
Hi, turtles, rah, rah,
Oh, a
rah.
whole bunch of them.
Yeah, 3 of them. That's nice. Another one right
Another
here.
one. Watch out for my prop, dude. Wait forward.
Not always the best plan to go exploring the mangroves at low tide. It's gonna be a bit of walking, I think.
Good chance. It is Givner. Well, all the modeling showed some wind and some, unsettling weather tonight, but this is a full-on squall. This has been fun. We're trying to get some sleep down here, but it's ugly out. It is ugly. Fun times. Hate to be out in the ocean right now. Woo! It is blowing, raining. It's nuts. Boat over here, Custom Vita. You can see we're both just disappearing in these swells. It's awesome. Hey?
It is. It's super. It's a crazy rodeo day. As always, we're traveling. Why would it be a rodeo?
Yeah.
We're still waiting on our batteries to show up. So
That's right, folks. Our electrical woes continue. Our batteries have now completely died, and it's time to replace them.
So unfortunately, we have to still motor. We tried to put out the head sail just to kind of level it out a little bit for us, but that ended up giving us too much power into the waves, and then we were really busting into them.
We were
So,
flying there for a minute.
No way, no sails, just motor.
Look at these waves. Woo! She's a fun fun one out here today, love.
Yeah, it is. It's sporty.
Sporty. So we're making water and making ice. That's what we do. Fire up the engine, make water, make ice, drive 2 miles to the next stop.
Okay, we have now made it to Wardrick Wells, and this is a new one for us. We are going on a mooring ball. We haven't caught a mooring ball since we were in Lake Okanagan, and this is a much bigger boat.
Much bigger boat. Should be interesting.
So we have an idea of how it's gonna work. We'll let you see what you think. Let us know in the comments.
You know what? We were pros at this before we got
We
there.
were. See our ball. What's our depth? Okay.
The mooring area in Wardrick Wells is tight. I mean really tight. You have sandbars on either side. You have boats swinging in a current and narrow channel. And we were nervous.
What's that? Yeah, right there. See it? I got it. You see me? You see it? Holy crap, that was super stressful. We did it. We got it done. It was no different than doing it on the McGregor. It just feels so much bigger when you've got such a big boat. And it was a narrow channel. It was very shallow. We weren't sure exactly which area to go in for the depth on either side of the boats that were here. Needless to say, we did it like pros. Rock started out. Now we gotta go and pay for our mooring ball, but that was wicked.
A huge thank you to all of our patrons. Your support helps us continue discovering our passion and makes it possible for us to share it with you. You guys are the best. See y'all next week.